Hey guys, today I'm going to do a slime makeover. So here's the slime that I'm going to do the makeover with, and it's kind of melted, but I've already added activator. So what I'm going to do is just take off the glitter, and knead it with my hands. Now I'm just going to add some foam soaps. I don't know why, but yeah, I've added foam soaps. So let's just mix it. I wanted to turn it into a butter slime, so I took clay and then I shaped it into a leaf. Now let's add the clay into the slime. Look at that! It looks so amazing. So yeah, I'm just going to mix it in.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Whoa guys, it looks so amazing. Now I'm just going to add foam soap, and again I don't know why. And I'm gonna mix it into the slime.
Shake it, baby.
Now I'm going to fix the second slime. So this slime is the bottom part, which are the glitter. It's not sticky, but I've decided to add foam soap, and again I don't know why. So that's why it melted. I added activator so that it won't be sticky, and I put it on the container and added the green slime on the top. Here are the before and here it is after. Now just enjoy for the ASMR. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!